In today's video, I will walk you through how to add shares in Yahoo Finance. To get started, open the Yahoo Finance app or go to finance.yahoo.com in your browser. Make sure you are signed into your Yahoo account before continuing. Once you are signed in, go to My Portfolio. If you are using the app, you can find it in the bottom menu. If you are using the website, look for it in the top menu. This section gives you access to your existing portfolios and allows you to manage your holdings. If you do not have a portfolio yet, select Create Portfolio. Enter a name for the portfolio and save it. After saving it, your portfolio will be ready and you can begin adding the shares you want to track. Next, open the portfolio where you want to add shares. Once the portfolio is open, look for the option labeled plus add symbol or add holdings. Select that option to begin adding a stock. Now type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to add. As you type, Yahoo Finance will display suggestions below the search box. Find the stock you want and select it from the list. After selecting the stock, enter the number of shares you own. Make sure the quantity matches the amount you want to track. Then enter the price per share. This allows Yahoo Finance to calculate and display information based on the values you provide. If you know the purchase date, enter it as well. Adding the purchase date helps keep your records organized and allows the information to reflect the details you entered. Once you have entered the number of shares, the price per share, and the purchase date, review everything carefully, check the stock symbol, verify the quantity, and confirm that the price information is correct. If you notice anything that needs to be changed, make the adjustment before continuing. After reviewing the information, save the entry to add the shares to your portfolio. You can repeat the same process whenever you want to add another stock. Open the same portfolio, select Add Symbol or Add Holdings, search for the stock, enter the number of shares, add the price per share, and include the purchase date if available. After saving, the stock will appear in your portfolio together with the details you entered. This allows you to keep all of your holdings in one place and update them whenever needed. That is how you can add shares in Yahoo Finance. Thank you for watching.